Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm your laptop has a working webcam and enable it in Settings. Use an external USB webcam if the built-in camera does not work. Clean the camera lens gently to remove smudges and dust before scanning. Place the QR code 3 to 6 inches from the camera for best focus and framing. Sit the laptop on a stable surface and avoid reflections or glare on the code surface. Make sure room lighting is even to help the camera autofocus quickly. Open your camera app or a web-based scanner that supports webcam input. If using a web scanner, allow camera permission when prompted to access the webcam. Position the QR code inside the live preview and frame it in the center of the screen. Keep the code steady and wait for the app to detect the pattern automatically. If detection is slow, move the code slightly closer or farther to help focus. When the code is recognized, the scanner will display the linked content or a clickable URL. After the scanner displays the result, click the displayed URL or copy the scan text. Use the app's open or copy function to save the link to a document or browser. If scanning fails, increase lighting or use a higher resolution webcam for better detection. Try moving the code slightly or changing the angle to reduce glare and improve focus. You can also take a screenshot of the code and upload that image to an image scanner. Finally, update camera drivers if persistent detection problems continue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.